Well, just when you thought summer was over, it wasn't. That 500 horsepower when you try to overtake people. What a beautiful day. Speed, and it's hard not to do it. It seems that you're more on the brakes on this car than on the foot. And I'm not used to this. I'm used to BMW 369, where if you're not on full gas all the time, something is wrong. And now you have 500 plus horsepower, so it feels weird. But I love it. In some countries the roads are much wider and longer, and some are more twisty overall. And in Sweden there are a variety of them, but I mean, if you're really into it, the throttle more than 10 seconds, you're doing such a speed. It's beautiful, it's magnificent, I love it. It's like a drug. Then we have this road, because when you drive it, you hear it all through the woods. So if you have a loud car, it's the best road ever. spring as well.
Spring?
No, whatever it's called.
Autumn. My God. People get so mad. Kolla upp den här Corvette. It's only Corvette.
It's only the smells.
It's only a...
Oh! He scratched that car really bad.
Ja, det är jävligt. Jättefint. Leave me here. In the woods.
Look på det här. This is what you do when you're out cornered, you're middle of nowhere in a beautiful road, waiting for the car to turn around, so you can make a good video. It's actually so much louder when you see it driving past. By the way, it's my wife driving it, so. Magnificent. My wife is not giving the car back to me. She's honest with not giving the car back to me. Well, now somehow I'm the passenger. Okay. Being a passenger anymore. You're fucking crazy. Well, this is not what I imagine of finishing the year off being a passenger, scaring the shit out of me, but I guess that's how life works out. Oh my God. Scariest moment ever. Babe, jag vill köra ut.
Han väntade. Så det här mannen som gjorde så här.
Can you please drive carefully? Oh my God, another CLS. Nice car, bro. This is how it feels to be a passenger in this car. Actually very, very comfortable. If not, the driver is crazy. Yes. One thing I love about Sweden is the car culture in this country. For example, we are legit in the middle of nowhere. I did not plan this whatsoever. And if I step out of the car, we find some real cool BMWs. So first we got a normal M3, we got an Alpina, whatever that is, 3.3. There's a normal B3, but this one, oh my god, it's such a beautiful car. It's a 6 Series Alpina. This thing is super duper rare. Such a beautiful car. Almost as beautiful as that one, almost. Now it's all sudden dark, but like I said, I love the car culture here, and you always find quite cool cars in Sweden. So this is actually a video of what I saw yesterday. Du såg själv en flagg förbi som står still.
Vilket ljud.
Fan vad trött eller?
Alltså gud. Jag gillar att han bara vinkar. Han är cool. Han var ändå rolig. Han är ändå så skön kille. Ja. Det var en idiot som bara, det märks att du är ny med bilen.
Du är ny med bilen.
Det var en annan jävla blatte.
Ny med bilen,
Man bara, håll käften.
Han vet ändå hur man kör för fan.
Ja, det var väl okej. Då kör det.
Okay, this thing looks so much better in person than it does in videos. Oh my god. It actually looks like a Audi Q8. But then we have this one! Oh my god, I so want it! Oh my god, look at Italian stripes. Yes. Italians and Germans. We all know what happened last time. This time actually they did quite I have never seen this Ferrari before. What the hell is that? Some kind of very special edition. I'm gonna go home and Google it and give you all the information on it. What the hell is that? It looks like a one-off Ferrari. Quite unique. Here is my dream car, by the way, a 458 Italia. But I don't like it in black, I want one in red, of course. A very cool car. Let's see if we don't back up into another Ferrari. I'm very interested to find out what type of Ferrari this is, because I've never seen it before. It's quite ugly, but it's probably humongously expensive. If you're ever in Sweden, in Malmö, you have to go visit this place, Autoroppa. It's a Swedish Ferrari dealership, and they have quite a cool cars in here. You have LaFerrari, McLaren F4 P1s. You also have the F40, which is basically dismantled and shown. It's in the service station. And then also right near to it, you have Lamborghini of Malmö, which is also have quite cool cars, but not to the standard of Autoroppa. But very good international standard, and I love the cars there. Messy. So that's that last ride for this year in the Mercedes-Benz CLS 55. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna park this car, and more videos to come on my winter car adventures. Peace.
to it not once, but repeatedly,